Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, there is something really amazing that's happening in the markets, especially with the mining sector that I really want to share with you right now. Mining sector, we're getting a bit of a pullback right now, and I'm really excited to share that with you when it comes to the mining sector. Anyway, let's actually start off with the good old stock market. Oh, by the way, guys, see that trading course on the screen right now? I used to charge $495 for this course, but I'm giving it away for free. I don't know how long I'm going to give away for free, but first thing in the description, guys, go get access to that. In fact, after you register for the free trading course, the very first video you get is like an hour-long video walking you through the 3 secrets that I need to learn from trading. How I went from $250,000 a net to making money. I walk you through the exact steps and strategies and walk you through dozens of examples, real life examples of my actual trading system and how I actually scan the markets, all that sort of stuff. I teach you for free. Go get the free help, guys. First thing in the description. Now, the big thing that I'm noticing right now in the stock market, look what's happening with the stock market still, right? It is weak from up the street, right? I was expecting some form of a little bit of a pullback and then drop, but look what's been happening ever since, guys, right? Ever since I've high, lower high, and another lower high, and now we're still rolling over from here. Now, the interesting thing about this, guys, is I do believe we're going to get some form of a pullback soon, but again, I don't know when that's going to be, and there's no way I'm looking for a long setup here when it comes to the stock market, right? And you guys know, even through here, I'm just like, guys, this is looking weak, and then we got through here, and I was expecting maybe like a little bit of a bounce and then continuation, but man, this is quite weak from up the street in the markets. Now, let's have a look at this here. Weak from up the street in the market. There you go. Now, let's look at this here. So if we have a look at the daily charts here, what do we see? We see there's a major level of support where we are right now, right? Possibly through there, maybe even a bit low as well, possibly even down through there. So as you can see, that level through there, and even where we are right now, I'd have to say that level through there. What I'm doing, traders, is I'm trying to collect this point back here, all these points back here, that point there. You see how there's been a lot of support, especially all through here, right? All this point through here. So the purpose of me saying that is that where may it find support and get a short-term pullback, not a change in trend, right? Because what is this? This is a pullback, then a continuation. This is a pullback, then a continuation. So what I'm saying is that we may get even a little bit more downside to here, to there, but then we're probably likely to get a pullback and then maybe another continuation. This is not the bottom's in. No. Mining stocks, maybe. Gold, possibly, right? So that's what I'm looking at there, guys, when it comes to the good old stock market from here with the S&P 500. Be really, the warning signs have been all over the place right now, guys. And rule number 1 is what? Trend analysis. Again, in my trading system, guys, I teach you for free in the trading course. You're looking for these lower highs coming through, right? Lower highs, and then making a move to the downside from there. Make sense? Let's go look at the Dow Jones from here. And Dow Jones is just slightly closing below this level here. So the Dow Jones is not getting a real good strong below yet. I'd have to say there's possibly that level there, maybe even a bit lower, but we're definitely really holding here much more stronger than the S&P. Once again, guys, looking at where we are right now, a break below, I sense a bit of a pullback coming soon. I really do. Like we've been going down through here, and then we've done that, and then that. So even if we do something like that, guys, we're probably going to get a pullback and then a reset, right? So this is where, guys, this is why I say that whenever you are trading the markets, if you're looking for long setups and long setups and short setups, one of the best things we can do, right, is what? Trade after we get a pullback. If we're in a downward trend, wait for the pullback and then go short. Wait for the pullback and then look for short. Wait for a pullback and then go short, right? That's probably the best thing. A lot of traders, they will wait for the market to drop first, and then they get in here, and then the market rallies, and they're like, what happened there? Anyway, on to gold and silver. So let's start off with gold. Gold is still just holding strong through here. We're not really getting any pullback. Mining stocks are. I'll show you that in a minute, right? But we're not getting any real good pullback, are we? But on gold, but I'm still expecting some form, but again, it may not. We may just continue up from here, but it would be really good, guys, to start to see something like this happening. get the moving average coming up like that there, and then start to get something like that. That would be, and then breaking above that resistance over there, that would be really, 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 really good for what? For the good old gold market. Moving over now through to silver as well too. Silver's actually getting a little bit of a short-term pullback, which is exactly what I wanted to see, right? So let me bring up this chart through here. Let's bring on the last, say, 6 months. Yeah, 6 months with the data. Now look what's happening through here, okay? 6 months with the data. Look. So if we have a look at, that's that support level through there. Okay, that's that major level support through there. Big V bottom, and we're now getting a bit of a pullback. Good. This is what I wanted to see, right? Because I'd like to see like a bit more pullback, a bit of a pause for a bit, and then start to see this thing rally back up through to here. If we get something like that, guys, guess what? This will be the first higher low in a long time. This is a lower low. This is a lower low. This is an equal low. This is an equal low. This is a lower low. This is what? A higher low. Notice if we do, guys, like if we do get that, we may not. We may just continue straight down from here, right? But if we do get that, guess what? Something is changing in the markets. What is that? The buyers are starting to come back in the market. The buyers are much more eager around these markets, right? So that's what I'm seeing through there. Look at the mining stocks though. Look what's happening in the mining sector. Really good pullback, right? We're starting to get that pullback now, aren't we? We've got the V bottom here. Beautiful V bottom. Hit it. We're getting the pullback now. Get ready for the slingshot move. I really do believe we're about to see a slingshot. Now, I don't know, if that's definitely going to happen, right? But I do believe that we're like, this is the if scenarios, right, guys? If the market does pull back through here and we hold and we start to break back above this level through here, guess what? We're probably likely to see a really quick move up to around about that $33 level there, because that's that next resistance up there. So that's because, and look at this here. If it breaks through that, there's actually no support. There's no support or resistance, nothing holding it. So if we get this higher low here, traders, you see that? Right? The buyers are starting to come back in. And especially if we do get the higher low, if we get the higher low here, and especially if we then start to break above these highs, that's when we're probably likely to see a really big move to the upside. Make sense, guys? So that's what I wanted to share with you and show you when it comes to that there. The GDX, same thing, right? We're getting what? We're getting a bit of a pullback now. But again, guys, this may not be a higher low here. All right, so we can't say this is definitely going to be a higher low, because this can just do something like that, right? And it doesn't give us the higher low, and the buyers not come back in, right? That's why it's so important we wait for confirmation. What is confirmation? Confirmation is this, right? This. That's right. I got a fetish with purple. I know you do too. Right, and a break above there, right? So that's what we're seeing through their trades, right? We're seeing this big move through here, and we're seeing this higher, and we're seeing this possible higher low coming into place. Once we start to see this coming, right? Once we start to see this happening here, that's when we start to see, look, it's starting to really change the tune here. If we get something like this, guys, over the next few weeks, we're starting to potentially change the tune. So hope this helps you out there today, traders. Traders, if you do need some help, then I've opened up some spots to my weekly coaching, or it's actually more like really daily, every day. But my coaching program for 12 months. If you really do need some help, guys, that's second link in the description. Then you can apply. I think I've got 2 spots left open. You'll be able to see how many spots when you go over there. But that's for my private coaching program. If you do need some help, guys, and you really need help, and you want to be committed for the next 12 months, where you and I are working together pretty much every single day, or every single, at least, market open day. This is intensive, but it's here to get you right. Then that second link in the description there, guys. Click on that. Go over right now, book a call, fill out the application form, and I'll personally call you. If you're not doing well this year, you don't know what a good setup looks like, and when you do get in, you're letting profits turn into losses. You're just not sure how to let your profits run, how to get your losses short, all that sort of stuff. I'm your man. I can help you out. That second link in the description there, guys. Click on that. Go over that. Book a call. Book a time for us to call. Fill out the application form. And then after you book that there, there's actually also a bit of a gift for you guys on the other page after you fill out the application form. So 2 spots left. I think I've got 2 spots left, guys. Go do that right now. Second link in the description. Click on that, and I'll speak to you real soon.